Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Epix to your iPhone. First, make sure your Garmin Epix smartwatch is fully charged and powered on. Next, head over to the App Store on your iPhone and download the official Garmin Connect application. This app is essential for managing your device and viewing your health data. Finally, ensure that Bluetooth is enabled in your iPhone settings, as this is how the two devices will communicate. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup process. Now that you have the app, open Garmin Connect and either create a new account or sign in if you already have one. Once inside, navigate to the Garmin Devices section and select Add Device. The app will then guide you to choose your specific Epix model from a list. Your Epix will display a unique 6-digit pairing code. Enter this code into your iPhone when prompted. This step securely links your watch to your phone, allowing for seamless data transfer and control. After successfully pairing, the Garmin Connect app will begin its initial data synchronization. This might take a few moments as it transfers your watch's current information. Once synced, you can dive into customizing your device settings. Personalize activity profiles, manage smart notifications, and set up your preferred data displays directly from your iPhone. Take some time to explore the extensive features within the Garmin Connect app, which offers detailed insights into your health and fitness metrics. Should you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your iPhone and Garmin Epix often resolves the problem. Always ensure your Garmin Connect app is updated to its latest version for optimal performance and new features. For a stable connection, keep your devices within a close range, ideally within 10 meters. Remember to regularly sync your data to keep your health metrics and activity records current and accurate, ensuring you get the most out of your Garmin Epix experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.